Today we are discussing a new chapter, that is non-profit organization. So all of us, you must know what is non-profit organization, and after then we are able to learn how the accounts of non-profit organizations prepare. So meaning of non-profit organizations. It is also called non-for-profit organization. As its name suggests, organizations which are formed not to earn profits. Definitely, because name is that non-profit organization. So the businesses which are formed not to earn profit. So why they are made? But to render services to its members. They are made to provide services to their members or public. Now, what are these types of organizations? For example, hospitals. The basic objectives of hospital is to provide services to patients. Schools. The basic objective is to provide education to society. Religious institutions like temples, mosques, churches, gurudwaras, etc. They all are called not-for-profit organizations, and clubs, etc. So, what are the features? From the meaning of non-profit organizations, we can understand what are the features of not-for-profit organizations. First feature is definitely to provide service. Second feature is separate entity. Like other businesses, this business has separate entity from its members. It is considered a separate entity. Next, surplus not distributed among members. Like any other business organization, at the end of the year, profit is distributed among members or partners. But in non-profit organizations, profit is not distributed. It is added in capital. It is added in capital. So, fourth, how these organizations are managed? These organizations are managed by elected members of the business. Fourth, major source of income. What are the major sources of income? Because the profit is not the main motive. So, how they will manage their expenses? Through subscriptions. Subscription means fees taken from members, or donations. Donations like donation from government, donation from people, etc. Next, proper accounts. Rather, they are prepared, they are made not for profit, but they have to make their accounts according to legal requirements. And the last form is form of accounts. How they prepared their accounts? They have to prepare 3 accounts: receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. So what is the difference between not-for-profit organizations and profit organizations? What are the basic differences? First difference is of motive. The main motive of not-for-profit organization is service, and the main motive of profit earning organization is profit. Second difference, capital account. Capital account is not made in not-for-profit organizations, but in profit earning organization, capital account is made. Surplus or profit. At last, the difference is called surplus or deficit. If there is profit, then it is called surplus. If there is loss, then it is called deficit. But in profit organization, profit earning organization, it is called net profit and net loss. And the last one is accounts. In non-profit organizations, you have to prepare 3 accounts: receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. But in profit organizations, you have to prepare other 3 accounts. They are manufacturing accounts, trading and profit and loss account, and balance sheet, which you have studied earlier. Now, one more thing I want to tell you in this video, that what is the manner to learn the headings. Like we have 6 features here, so you can learn it with SMA. SMA. S means services, separate entity, surplus. So it is triple S. So it is triple S. M, managed by elected members, major source of income. So 2M are there, 3S, 2M and 2A, proper accounts and form of accounts. So in this way, you can learn the headings in short forms so that you can memorize them at the time of exam.